first thing, before starting the development, you have to make sure you have installed the Node.js version between 18 to 20. Then you have to install Adobe aio-cli Node.js package, and then you have to log into the Adobe Developer Console and create a project. Let's see those steps one by one. My command line, I am installing Adobe aio-cli Node.js package. So this will take few minutes of time. Let's wait. So yeah, so now the package has been installed. So next step, I'll be logging to the developer console. So I have logged into the developer console. I create a project from the template. I select AppBuilder and I give a project title and app name. So this can be anything as you prefer. Yeah, I have given the project name Apple Project New. So let me create a project. AppBuilder project has been created and it has basically by default two workspace. One is project production and another is stage. So we'll be developing our first app using the stage workspace. Next, in the CLI, in the same directory location, I'm going to execute aio login. So this will give me a token. So if you are doing this for the first time, it will prompt a login window and you have to use the same username password that you use to log in to the developer console. So next, I'll execute aio project select. So this is to select the project. So under my organization there could be multiple projects. So let me select the project that I have created. So the Apple Project New is the project I want to work on. So next, the workspace selection. So in this case also we are going to select the stage, as we are going to work on the stage workspace. So we are okay to execute the next step, so which is aio app init. So this will be generating basically the app builder project structure. So here also we have to select the org name, and under the org which project I want to create a basic folder structure. So I'm going to use that. So yeah, so we have to just follow the steps, and here there are multiple templates. Basically we can select basically the generic one to move ahead. So the project structure creation is in progress, so it will take 3 to 5 minutes of time. So I'll pause the video. Once the project structure has been created, we'll come back. So now the project structure has been created, and the next step would be running the aio app dev. So this will run the app builder app in the local infrastructure. So if I run the aio app dev, it gives me the URL. So let me copy this and open in the browser. Yes, so for our first app builder project is ready. Let us execute the actions that we have created during the init and see their output. So as you can see, there are some exceptions. We have to make some small changes to fix this. Let me open the project in the Visual Code. Here I have to open app.config.yml file, and I have to make require Adobe auth for false for both of the actions. Then in my app builder action Node.js class, I have to make some code changes. So there are some code I have to remove. So these are not necessary for us. So let me put a dummy message for both of the actions. There are some unused libraries. Let me also remove those things. Yeah, let me put the same code to the other controller, other app builder action also. Possibly I can just copy the content of other app builder action to another app builder action and change the message. So let me save and run the aio-appdev command again. Yeah, so let me execute the actions. Yeah, you can see now the action is the output. We are getting the output from the app builder action. That concludes the demo. All the commands steps I have added in the comment section of the video. If you need any additional information, feel free to ping me in the LinkedIn. Thank you.